Hello, guys. Good evening. Let me share my screen. Hope you are getting. Can you hear me now? Okay. So yesterday we have seen that loop concept, while loop. Now, 1 second, guys. Okay. Loop 3. I'll go and I'll create loop 3. I'm creating a new program. I'll take means new class loop 3. Taking main method. Okay. I'll remove this line. Int I equal to 10. It is local variable, right? Now, while loop. Simple. It is very simple. While I equal to 10. Okay, or let me give some 20, and logical operator I less than 12. Is it true or false? True, right? Both are true conditions. In this, I okay. Here also, let me give less than. Now it will work. System.out.println sys out I. Okay, okay, guys. Now see here that magic here. For example, I plus plus. Okay, uh, let me give. If I'm not giving I plus plus increment, let's check it how it will execute. Okay, so can you hear see here? So it will continuously executing, so infinite time. So that means loop is executing till the false. It will stop when you will get a false condition. Okay, now check it. So both are true, so that's the reason it's continuously executing infinite time. Okay, so now see here, it is executing. Okay, now I'll terminate this one. I'll remove this one also. Okay, so if I am giving increment, what will happen? We'll check here. See here, 10 and 11. Okay, now let me explain here while loop. So I int I is equal to 10, while I less than 20. It's a true statement, and I less than 12. So both are true. Okay. Now coming to I is equal to 10. If I equal 10, after increment it will become 11. Okay. Now 11 is less than 20. True. 11 is less than 12. True. Then again it will go and print the I value. So it is printing here. Now I plus plus, how much it will increase? 1. So after 11 it will become 12. 12 less than 20. True. After that, 12 less than 12. No, it is a false. Now false and true. False. Okay, that means the control will come out of loop. So that's the reason it is stopping here. So when the condition is satisfied, that means if it is giving a false, then it will stop execution. So that's the while loop. That's it only, guys. Yesterday we have seen loop for each and for loop. This is for loop, and loop 2, this is a class for each loop, and it will be while. Coming to here, guys, what is this while loop? We use it if the number of iterations is not fixed. So in this case, we will go for while loop. Capture this one, guys. Okay, okay, done. Now, okay, now I'll go and I'll create one more class, loop 4. Now, int I equal to 1. Is it local variable or global variable? Local variable. Okay. Is it declaring or defining variable? It is defining variable. How can you say it is defining? Because there is a variable value. If we don't have a variable value, then that will be the declaring variable. Now we are doing what we are doing here, defining variable. Which variable? Local variable. In that, what is that? Int type local variable. So these many types are there. Please remember that. Already we have completed that. So that's the reason I am not explaining every day. Now coming to do while loop. Do while loop. Now do sys out I. Now coming to I plus plus while I less than or equal to 5. So this is the condition here. Let's check it how it will execute. That's it, guys. Now let's see here. I will explain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 executed here. Now coming to int I equal to 1. So what is here? I plus plus. What is the condition here? I less than or equal to 5. Okay. Now coming to what is the I value? 1. 1 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, it is a true. Now that's the reason it is getting printing 1. After that 1 will become 2. 2 is less than or equal to 5. True. So now we are printing 2. After that 3 will, it will become 3. So 3 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, it is a true. Then it will go and execute the I value. Now after that I will become 4. So 4 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, it is a true. So it is getting printing 4. After that 5. I value it will be printing here as we're giving a plus plus, that is my increment operator. I plus plus, that is a 5. So 5 is less than or equal to 5. Yes. So that is the output we are getting here. In case if we are giving here 10, what you will get output? Up to 10 you will get. After that 11 it will not get printed here, because if it will getting 11, false statement, so false statement will not execute here. Clear, guys? For example, if I can make it, if I make it 3, what is the output here? 1, 2, 3. Right? Clear? Yes, that's it only. It's a very easy one. Capture this one quickly. Okay, is it done? Okay, perfect. Now, so we are good with the loop. Now coming to break statement. This is also very easy. break statement. So syntax for break statement. It is also known as jumping statement. That's it. Coming to syntax. Break. That's it only. Okay. So how the loop will execute, and at the time we will break that loop. We'll go and check with the program. With the help of program, we will check it. So I'll go and I'll create one more class here. So break statement. One. I'll take main method. Let me finish. Now new class created with the name of break statement one. Now I'll take for loop. For int I equal to 0 and I less than 5, I plus plus. That's it. Now check it. If statement, if statement, if I equal to 3, we need to give 3 times. I equal to 3. Then break this loop. Here we will break. Break the loop. Sys out. I. Let's go and execute this one so that you will understand. Right guys? 0, 1, 2 here. Same that what happened in loop 4. That same you can check it a break. So here the loop is breaked here. Okay, how it is break? Let's check it. Let me explain here. Guys, can you hear me? Yes. Please be focused here completely. It's a very easy one, but there is a small trick here. So what is happening here? Just I created a one class with the name of break statement one. After that main method. So these things are clear. You already know that. Now for loop, with the help of for loop, int I is equal 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus. That is a post increment I have created here. Now coming to if statement, what is happening here? If I equal to 3, then it will break. Okay, now what is happening guys? First let's check it. I equal to 0 is less than 5. Yes, it is a true statement. Then it will go on to print the I value. So that is a 0. Now after that I will become 1. 1 is less than 5. Yes, it is a true statement. Then it will go on to print the I value. So what will get output? 1. So after 1 it will become 2. 2 is less than 5. Yes, it is a true statement. So then it will go on again print the I value as a 2. Okay. Now what is the condition here? I equal to 3. At the time of becoming a 3, at that time loop will break here. That is the condition here. So now up to 0, 1, 2 is printing here. We received output for 0, 1, 2. Now what is the condition? We have condition here I equal to 3. So if I equal to 3, 3 is less than 5. It's a true statement. But after that, there is a break. So this loop will break here. Now what will happen? After that, if it is a false, the control will come out of loop. Let's check it whether it will get out of loop or not. Let me show you. Let me prove that. Sys out system.out.println control came out of or out from loop. That's it. That's it, guys. Let's check it whether it is getting printing and yes, right? Very good. You received output. So this is a print statement. Okay. For example, if I can make it instead of 3, 4. Now let me check you what is the output here. You will get output as a 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Up to 3 it is getting printing. Okay. Now I'll make it here I equal to some 7. I'll make it 15. I is less than 15. Now let's check it. What will be the output, guys? So up to 6 it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 6. After that, control will come out of loop. So that is a break statement, guys. Clear, guys? So when the condition is satisfied, that after that the loop will break. If it is break, the control will come out of loop. Same. Earlier we have seen that if the condition is a false, then it will come out of the loop. If it is a true, it will completely execute till the condition is getting false. Up to false statement, control will execute the all the condition. It will give the print, whatever the output we are required. So that's it, guys. So please capture this one. Break statements. This is about break statement. Can you hear me, guys? Are you there with me? Yes. Okay. No. So what's our syllabus? Let's check it here. Loops concept. We are done with the loop. Okay. Break statement. We are checking now break statement. Please capture this one, guys. I'll give you another 5 seconds. Okay. Let me once you're done with that, we'll go for another one. No. So depends on your requirement whether you need to give a post increment or pre increment, post increment or pre decrement. So it's all depends on the logic and your required program. Based on that, you modify that accordingly. You can change it. There are examples. So if I equal to 3, then sorry, I equal to 7, then it will break. Okay, okay, fine. So now I'll go and create one more class. Yes, break statement 2. I'll take it one more. I'll take main method also 2. Now break statement 2. Okay, again in terms of nested one. At first we'll go with the outer one, outer loop. At first outer loop, we'll check it. Now for int I equal to 1, I is less than 3, I plus plus. That's it. Now so this is the for loop. Coming to here, inner loop. For int j equal to 1, j is also less than 2, j plus plus. Now okay, or we can make it 3. Now if statement, if statement, if I equal to 2 and j equal to 2, break. After that I'll go and I'll give here break. Guys, break is a keyword. All the keywords are in small case or lower case and purple color. After that, sys out I plus plus j. Okay, now after that a control will come out inner loop. From inner loop, that's it. Okay, so let me execute again. I will explain. Let me check it output. Now I will explain it. Got it, guys? Output. Okay, it's a very easy one. Be focused here, completely listen carefully. Okay, so I created one class with the name of break statement 2. Okay, after that it is a main method, public static void main. That's a main method. Now what is the I value initialization one? I is a initialization, I is equal to 1, I less than 3. Guys, it is a very easy one but too much of complicated. The basic thing is how you are receiving, that completely depends on that. So listen carefully. So initialization, after that condition check and executable code. Alright guys, for nested one, outer loop. Inside the loop we will go for one more loop. So that is the outer and inner loop we are considering here. Int I equal to 1, that means the value of I equal to 1 and I 1 is less than 3, that is a true one. Okay, guys, if the condition is a true, then the control will come on inside the for loop, right? So the for loop is getting that started here, right? Inside this condition true, and only the control will come into inside the loop. Okay, now if the control is true, it will get executed inner loop. Now int j is equal to 1, so 1 is a less than 3. Yes, it is a true. Then again it will come and execute the this one, I equal to 2, right guys? Right? Is it true or false? False, because I value will be 1. 1 equal to 2? No, it is a false one. So then it will not go and execute the second one. If the first one is a false, it will not go and execute the second one. Then it will be the come out of the loop. That's it. So what we say? The loop will get executed till our condition get false. If the if one condition is true from the outer loop and one condition is the false in the inner loop, at present with opted value I1, right? Right? Yes. So once the value of 1 is in inner loop only here, value of z, I value will be remain 1 only here. 2, okay? That's it. So that is the way loop will execute till the execution get false. That is the logic here. So capture this one guys, please take screenshot. For example, if I can make it 1 here, let's check it output. See here the changes here. So if it is a true, then it will go and execute the second one. That's it. Let me execute like this also. That's it. Okay guys. Okay. So this is about a break statement. So loop 3, loop 4, break statement 1, break statement 4. So total 4 programs we are done with for the day. It is easy, but you need some practice guys. Then only you will get some complete understanding. Anyhow, you will get a video after the class. Please watch it and practice that. I'm giving very little simple programs for your practice. Loop 1, loop 2, this is the previous one. So I'll give another 5 seconds. One example is enough for a break statement, but for more understanding, I have given a second example also. I will give one more small example, guys. Very small program for a break statement. One more for while we will check. Now I will check with the while loop. Let me complete that also. Break statement 3 for while. I will take main method also. Let me finish this one. So now I will go and I will create one local variable. Okay. Now int I equal to 1. So is it local variable or global variable? It is a local variable, right? Now coming to while I less than or equal to 5, right? Now after that I'll go and I'll create if I equal to 3. After that break. That's it. After that it will break. If it is false, then control will come out of loop. It will get print I value. Sys out I. After that I'll give I plus plus. It is a very simple one. Already we have seen in this here while loop. Same we are using break here. That's it only. Only we are using break. Let me execute this one. Clear? If I equal to 3, then it will break. So that's the reason it is printing 1, 2 only. If in case I'll make it I is equal to 0, then what will be the output? It will print 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? 1, 2 only. Okay. Let me make it I equal to 4. Now what is the output, guys? It will get 3. Right? Okay. After 3, what will become here? I will become 4. 4 equal to 4. Hmm. It is satisfied. The condition is satisfied. After that, it will break. That's it. Capture this one, guys. Please capture this. Very simple. Java is very simple. While also done, guys. Okay. So now do while. So last one for the day. I'll stop here. Let me create one more class. But do while. Statement 4. I'll take main method also. I'll finish this one. What is this? New class created with the name of break statement 4 and main method also are taken. Now coming to int I equal to 1. What is this? It is a local variable. Which type of local variable? Int type of local variable. So what is happening here? Local variable, it is a defining local variable because it is a data type. Int is a data type, I is a variable name, and 1 is a variable value. If there is no variable value, then what is that? It will be considered as a declaring a variable. Just I am giving a recap, guys. Already I explained previous classes. So now we are not declaring, we are defining a int type local variable. That is now coming to our logic. Do while loop. Do if I equal to 3, then break it. After that, it should be double equal now. Yes, that is the Java. It is giving error. Sys out I, okay, and I plus plus. While I less than or equal to 5. That's it. Let's go and execute this one. That's it only. Already you know that do loop, do while loop. So do if I equal to 3, then it can break it. 1, 2 only it is getting printed. While I is less than 5. So if I can make it 4, what will be the output? It will become 1, 2, 3. That's it only. Okay. Now coming to, I'll make it some 10. Okay. Here also I'll make it some 7. Let's check it. What is the output here? That's it. That's it, guys. It's a very easy. Up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. It is giving output. That's it only. So the simple thing is here where you are breaking, how the loop is getting executed. That's it only. The main thing is you need to understand loop execution and the breaks. Capture this one, guys. Okay, so I'll stop here, guys, because I have given much more programs for the day. But it is very easy, just simple only. Break is a keyword. Okay, if you are given that break, then the loop will break. That means it will not go and execute the next level, next one, up to whatever the condition here given, up to that condition satisfaction only. If the condition is satisfied, then it will stop. That's it only. So here we are not using stop, we are using break because it is a keyword in Java. Okay, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my god. Almost 8 to 9 programs I given here today only. So, but it's a very small one, but there is a little bit tricky here. So please capture it, please practice it, and next class I'll take it array list. Break statement also completed. So array list I'll take after that whoops concept. This is a very much important, very easy one. Okay, guys. So thank you. Thanks for joining. So we'll meet again next class. I'll stop here for that. I don't want to give much more programs. So I am giving you for a practice. After class, you'll get a video. So please practice that. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Have a nice sleep. Good night. Bye. We'll meet again next class.